Oh, let him peck too.
Come on. Got where that big piece was.
What color is he?
He's green.
It's green.
It's that one.
Yeah, he's the same color as this one.
Yup, I can see he's yellow.
Same color as me.
See, hi, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't pack there.
Can I see it? Oh, it's a rainbow.
I can already see his hair. I'm sorry, I'm pulling your hair. Oh, there he is.
Let me see him.
Oh, he's so cute.
Aww.
He's so cute. Look at his hat off. Don't fall asleep now. He just got. Well, he didn't fall asleep. He's still getting out of the thing.
Alright, here, I can take him out now.
No, let me at least get this one part off so you can see his wings.
Alright.
See his other wings.
Oh, he's so cute.
Let me take.
50 points ahead.
He's not making any noise. Yay! He's green like me. See, I'm a dragon, and she is a. Oh, she looks like a little bird. What a rainbow boy.
Come on, yeah, boy. What you get like a MySpace login, boy?
There's one wing.
Aw. Ow. It's cute. Look at his little hair.
I love his hair. Did you hear it?
They're squatting up on each other. Swing first. Swing first. Swing first.